Welcome Center. Standard, that's one of them. Oh, there's another one. Okay, we are at the Tennessee Welcome Center. The air conditioners are behind there, but what about for the vending place? I see an air vent. Make sure no one's looking. And just casually walk back here. Oh, I remember it. Payne. Bristol reciprocating compressor. 10 SEER, 3 ton from 2000. It's a heat pump. And then there's a Bard, the wall mount. What the hell is the sticker? Oh, this thing's ancient. I don't know how to tell a year on a Bard, but this is a 5 ton. Yeah, 5 ton, 208, 230. Serial 098, so that must be the date of manufacture. So this is at the Tennessee Welcome Center. Ooh, nice. Little old Payne with a very shitty sounding compressor. What is this in? Heat or cool? Oh, that's freezing cold. That's in cooling mode. Anyways, over and out.